We divide 552 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 11 mean 55. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 552 divided by 5 is 110 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.